Hey guys, it's Brittany. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a look that is inspired by one of my favorite things, which is Formula One. I did kind of start this series last year, but I started it towards the end of the season, so I stopped and I figured I'd start this season when they come out with all of the new cars. So this look is actually after the Sahara Force India team. Their car is bright pink, so that's where this look came from. And I did also do a poll on Instagram on which one you guys wanted to see, and unfortunately I didn't have the right products to be able to do the one that was voted for, so I had to do the other one, but they were pretty close. So it was kind of a toss-up between the two, but anyway, let's get started. The first color I'm going to be using is from Cosmetics, and it is the color Radioactive. I'm going to be using my Sigma E06 brush, and I'm going to make the sketch of the shape that we're going to be doing. Next color is from Geek, and it is the color Sorbet. Using my Anastasia Beverly Hills A12 brush, I'm just going to put this color above the crease. Still using my Anastasia Beverly Hills A12 brush, I am putting on a pink color from the Morphe Brushes 35C palette. Back to Cosmetics Radioactive, and I'm just using a pointed blender and working that above the sketch that we made. Moving on to the Colourpop Element of Surprise palette, I'm using the hot pink, which is either opulent or subdue. I think on some of their palettes they put the names on there like opposite of where they actually are. And I'm just putting this right on the line with my Morphe M506 brush. Sorry, M507 brush. And the last color from the Colourpop Element of Surprise palette is Silk Street or Late Night. And it's just going to deepen this up a tiny bit. Alright, so now we are going to start cutting, and I am going to be using my favorite concealer, which is MAC Studio Finish Concealer, and my trusty little Anastasia Beverly Hills number 3 brush. So I like to start on the inside corner and just kind of follow the shape that we have made. Now, taking my concealer and a flat brush, I'm just going to fill in the rest of the eyelid. To set the concealer a little bit, I'm going to be using an eyeshadow that's close to my skin color, and I'm going to be using MAC Cosmetics Blanc Type. And I'm just applying that with a flat brush on top of the concealer. Next up is the glitter portion of the look, and I am going to be using my LIT Cosmetics Clearly Liquid Glitter Base. And what I'm going to do is apply that on the lid and then put the glitter on top of that. And for the glitter, I gotta find the right one here. I am going to be using my Violet Voss Love Shack glitter. So you can really use like any brush to do this portion, but I'm going to be using my Morphe M250-2, and I'm going to start at the lash line, and it's going to be heavier glitter there, and then it's just going to be lighter as we go up. Alright, so now for the lower lash line, and I'm going to kind of work backwards, and I am going to start with the Colourpop Element of Surprise palette, and I'm going to be using that hot pink again. And I'm using my Morphe M431 brush and just working that into the lower lash line. Back to the Melt Cosmetics Radioactive, and I'm using my Morphe M507 brush, and I'm just working that into the last color. Next up, I'm going to take the Morphe 35C palette, and I'm going to use that light pink again, and I'm just using a pointed blender and working that into the colors and blending them. And then I'm going to go back to the Colourpop Element of Surprise palette and use that darker color, and I'm using my Morphe M515 brush and just working that into the lashes. And then I'm just going to pop a little bit of the pink color from the Nomad Cosmetics Around the World palette right on the inside corner of the eye. For mascara, I'm going to be using my Sigma Beauty Sinuosity Lash Mascara. And for lashes, I am using Violet Voss. Oh my gosh, I forgot. I Got a Feeling lashes. And finally, for the lip, I am going to be using my Buxom Cosmetics Dare Me Vava Plump lip. Alright you guys, well that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I will have all of the products listed down below in the description, and while you're down there, don't forget to hit subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye!